Hi everybody, how are you guys doing? So we're going to register for 1688 app. Many people are having problem regarding this. So go to your Google and type in 1688, scroll down and make sure you're selecting 1688.com. So the app or the website is having a problem, so we're figuring it out from a back door. We're no more using browser, we're going to use the app. So click on where my finger is pointing up there, and then click on it because we want to download the app. So we don't want to start the registration using the browser. Many people that started the registration using browser, it didn't go through. So we are finding a way of doing it through the back door. So now you can see that I click on it, it didn't open. Click it again, like click that place again, repeat it. So sometimes you have to click it twice. I did this video just in case if it's happening to you, so that you will not panic. Okay, see, I click it twice for me to see the next page. So the next page is opening now. This is where I was looking for, and now it has opened. I have to click it twice to see here. Click this place, please. Click where my finger is touching, and it's going to ask you, do you really want to download? Yes, I want to download. You can see I'm using my hand to point there. Touch it, and you can see up there that a downloading file. The file is downloading, right? So, and when this file disappears, you'll be wondering, where is what I downloaded? Don't worry, it could be that it's still downloading. For you to see it, you see where my hand is pointing at the three dots up there. Touch that three dots. A drop down is going to come down, and when that drop down comes down, you are going to click on download. So sometimes it's still downloading. It depends on your Wi-Fi, it depends on your phone data, you know how strong it is. Okay, so you click on download, just for you to see where your download is. Is it still downloading? Already downloaded? Where is it? So this is how to find it in case if you're looking for it, in case if you didn't open immediately. Guys, can you see that the download is still in progress, right? It's still rolling. So but it disappeared that time. I didn't know where it was. So this is how I found it, by clicking on that three dots. So now guys, can you see that it has been fully downloaded? So what am I going to do right now? I'm going to click on it, right? So when I click on it, allow it to do its thing. It's opening now. Click on settings. You are going to click on settings, so because you want to allow it, you want to allow Chrome to use 1688 app. So now click on turn it on, right? So click on that place to turn it on. I didn't edit this video, that is why I leave. So I want it to be natural, you know, not just clicking open fast. So this is how it is. Click on install. Install can take time. Like I said, it depends on how strong your phone data is, right? So I'm leaving it to do its job naturally. You can see it's installing, taking its time to install. If I should edit this video, you just click open, it's faster. And if your own is slow, you'll be panicking. You might want to stop, you might want to go back. That is why I'm leaving it the way it is. It is installing, guys. Let's give it the time it needs to install. We are having general problem with the 1688. If you use the browser, it will not work. They will block you, blah, blah, blah. Click on open. So what we're doing right now is we're using the back door to register, okay? Click on open to come in. So allow it to do its job, and then you're going to see this place. Click on where I am showing you guys. You can see my hand there. Please click on it. If you follow my step, you are going to you are not going to miss it. So click on me. You can see where they say me there, my hand pointing down, and then you click on this the right hand side. You can see my hand there. In case if it's showing on your own, which is going to, please click on there. I'm taking my time. Click it, and another page is going to open. Normally this is not the normal way of doing this. We always start with the browser, but you can see. So click on allow. You're allowing the browser to be able to use, and then click on agree. You can see the small box at your left hand side. I'm pointing it with my hand. Click it and then click the orange one. So it's going to bring this page. Because I'm recording, it will stop the screen. So click on the way I circled, and then it bring you to another page. It's still covering it. Click on the first one. When you click on the first one, it will bring you to this page. This is the page whereby you're going to put in your select your country code and put in your number, okay, and then you select the agreement, terms and agreement. So now let's say I've clicked on that 86. That means for me to put my own code. So I'm in the UK, so I'm going to find +44. If you're in Germany, you're going to use 234, like that. And then if you're in the USA, let me talk about USA and Canada. If you're in USA, it is +1. If you're in Canada, it is +1. That is where the problem is. So now if you are in the the spelling of USA is just USA, right? Very short. And Canada is a bit longer. So now my advice, or how we figure it out, is when you go to the +1, you're having 2 + 1, 2 + 1, right? You don't know who you want to choose because one is for Canada, one for USA. So with just common sense, we know that USA is shorter. So even if it's in Chinese, USA should be the shorter written word, and then okay, something like that. So now you select it and you put your number, and they're going to give you a code. They will send you a code to your phone. Please wait until that code will come. You can take 30 seconds, 50 seconds. The code will come, and then you type in the code, and this page will come out, and then it will do its job. You can see my hand at the left hand side. There's one small box there. Please click it before clicking on the big red, is it one red, orange one, this orange button. But you need to click that small space. There's this small space. I put my hand there. You click on the orange button, and then the page is going to open. You can see now you are here. And what does that mean? You can just remove this thing by clicking on the X there. There's this X there. Just click it to go out. So that means you are in there. So you're going to click on me. There's me there. Just click on it, and then up there is your profile. That means you are in. That means you are now registered. So this is kind of your username. Okay, so if you want to say, okay, now because we're using backdoor to register, this is not the way it works. So if you want to say, okay, how can I get my password, click on the settings a bit fast. There's a setting up there. Before that, you now come here and click on this third one where my hand is showing. Okay, at your left hand side was setting before this. Okay, you can take the video back to see it. So when you now click here, this page is going to open. Because I'm recording, everything was blank. So you click on the third one. When you see this kind of thing, 1, 2, the third one, you click on it. I am taking my time. Remember, what are we doing right now? After you might have registered, you want to set up your password, just password, in case if anything happen, or you want to browse on another phone. They will demand password from you. So that's what we're setting up right now. Just all about putting your password, okay? And this page is going to open, and then it will do its thing, and it's going to bring out where you can put a password, and okay, they're asking you to put your number. Your number is already there, so they're asking you to put your code. Sorry, they're asking you to put a code. So you click that place I just put. You see, they have sent you a code. Now, what am I doing right now? I'm going. You see, I didn't edit this video at all. This part is not for you guys. So I want to go and see my code, just to be 100% sure they send me that code. Okay, because many people will say, oh, where can I find my code? You see, you need to go to your text message to find your code. So I found my own code, and then I am putting it in here, right? I try to show you guys everything. Even as I went out of this page to go and get a code, I still showed you guys. So now I put in the code, and then this is what I was talking about. They're going to give you where you can put a password, and you repeat the password. Okay, this place meaning you should put your password and you should repeat the password. So I am putting the password and I am repeating the password. Okay, so you see, I'm still typing it in. I'm taking my time, guys. I type in the password, and then I'm typing in the password again. Okay, okay guys, so now then you can see where my hand is. You click on that place, you click on on this place, yes, and that is it. You have already set it, and then you go back. You just